Silver is putting up a fight, which is pretty interesting to see. I think I did a video a few weeks ago, maybe even last week, can't remember, uh, where I was kind of expecting this down move for silver to continue. It kind of reached my target. You can check my previous video. I'm gonna link it in the top of the screen. And yeah, I pretty much very rarely modify these lines and channels, but yeah, it was my expectation that silver is gonna continue this move. Now it's putting up a fight at this $21 per ounce price level. We'll see. Uh, it can go anywhere. It could continue the down move and reach maybe 19, but it could also bounce back. That pretty much depends on what gold is doing, and gold had a pretty swift recovery in the past few days. Yeah, we'll see. But it seems like there has been a lot of trading volume done for gold at this $1,800 uh, level. So there's a lot of support for gold here. We'll see if gold continues to go up. Then of course I'm expecting silver to push the price higher. Again, it's also oversold. We shall see. It could also, maybe this is the bottom. Maybe it comes up like this, and it chops a bit sideways for a couple of months, which it would be pretty nice because I would like to buy some silver coins right now, but I'm low on cash. I'm paying up some debt, and I'm trying to have some actual cash on the sidelines because again, I want to reiterate, I'm expecting a big recession. Maybe by the end of the year or maybe next year. And look, I do not fully agree with Harry Dent, but he's got a point. Right now, he does have a point, and like the markets are overvalued compared to the GDP. They are like buff. I should search for the Buffett indicator. I'm gonna check right now. See if I can find something really quick. Quick. Indication valuation model. Okay. Sorry for the flashbang. Right. So as you can see, like the stock market. Let me zoom a bit. Stock market to GDP is 163% higher, and yeah, we are at one. We were at 2 standard deviations back in November 2021, and yeah, basically this bubble is like looks a lot like the .com. Now we are at 1 standard deviation, so we could crawl on this line, but what would be really healthy for the market would be that we go somewhere undervalued, right? We could reach fair value, but from my opinion, we should go in undervalued territory. We might not go there. So, for example, I'm gonna go hard on stocks, on the stock market, right? When we reach this fair value, that's why I'm building a cash position, is because I want that dry powder, you know. I want to have the opportunity to jump into the market if this this happens, if we go to fair value or undervalued. And this is the most reliable indicator, like macro, the Buffett indicator. But yeah, if I had the cash, I live in Europe. I do not live in France. I don't know much French, but this is the site I buy from, right? So right now, looks like the Philharmonic from Austria and Noah's Ark from Armenia. They look to be a pretty good deal. And if I had my debts paid and cash on the sideline, I would buy a tube right now, but I have debts to pay, so I'm gonna be patient, build my cash position. So these are my thoughts for today. So basically we could chop sideways, but if gold goes higher, silver will follow. We'll see what happens. Overall, the stock market seems to be pretty positive today. We'll see what happens. It's nice to see Bitcoin going down. I hope it goes back to these levels. Maybe I'll accumulate a bit. But again, crypto is just speculation. This silver, this is the foundation that everyone should have. A bit of silver and a bit of gold. Right? See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.